My name is Shashank, and today we're going to see how Noveum.ai works. So, what Noveum.ai does is primarily two things. The first thing it does is that it allows you to get a high level overview of your entire AI applications across your entire organization. And the way it works is that we have launched an open source AI gateway. You can literally go and download and try it out for yourself if you want to. You can deploy this on Cloudflare workers or on a Kubernetes cluster or Docker. And what this does is that using your current code, you just make one line change. You instead of pointing directly to say OpenAI or Anthropic, you point it to the Noveum AI gateway, and that's it. It will start collecting your cost, your latency, and your logs and everything. And you can literally export this data in your own private Elasticsearch cluster, like we have done here, where you can see the different things. Or you can connect it to the Noveum platform, and you can get all of these things like how much token usage is there, what is the latency, what is the error rate across your entire application. And the most important thing is that you get all the logs, right? All the logs from your request and responses. Now, why the logs important? We're going to use these logs from your real world application to create a data set. So for example, I will go through these logs. Okay, this one it had an error. This one is looks good to me. So I'm going to select the logs lines that look good to me and add them to my evaluation data set. This will serve as the benchmark. Now, using this data set, I can create evaluation jobs. What evaluation job does is that it basically allows you to compare different kind of AI models with your own data set that you have collected. And here I selected the data set and I have selected the three models I want to compare. Here I'm going to give it an evaluation criteria on what I want to evaluate for, which is code quality. And in the end, I will tell it optimization priorities, right? So I don't care about cost for this specific AI project. I want to compare accuracy and latency and optimize for that. So I'm going to start the evaluation job, and I've already run an evaluation job before. So we were evaluating two models here, GPT-4 and Claude 2, and we were optimizing for accuracy, as you can see here, right? So if you see at the results, GPT-4 did win a lot more times as compared to Claude 2, and it had higher accuracy, even though the cost is much higher as compared to Claude. But like I said, we were optimizing for accuracy. So that was the top recommended model. Now, the best part about this is that the AI gateway is continuously collecting logs. So your data set keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, which makes your evaluation jobs much better with bigger data set. The second most important thing is that new models keep getting released every single day. Like there was GPT-4, then there's Quinn, and right now this DeepSeek is all over in the news, and there are going to be a lot more models in the future. So what Noveum does is that you can literally integrate any provider and bring in all those AI models. And when a new model comes up in the future, you can do literally one click and you can run any eval job, and you know if that new AI models work for your specific data set or not. And in the next quarter, we're going to allow you to use the data set to even fine tune your models and compare them as well. So this is how the Noveum.ai platform works. If you're interested, please reach out to us. We are in private beta right now. Thank you.